I'm Kavita Relhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about 275 liters frost-free refrigerator. It's a double door refrigerator from the brand Samsung. So let's get started. Now this refrigerator is a 3-star rated refrigerator, which means it has this power saving guide, it is energy efficient, plus the model number of this refrigerator is RT30A3743BX. Now it is 275 liters, so that means it's perfect for a family of 6 to 8 people, and as you can see, it's a double door refrigerator. Now the benefit or the USP of having this refrigerator is that if you're not using the freezer, you can convert this freezer into a normal fridge. So generally the top side is the freezer where you store all your frozen snacks, your ice cubes and all, but just in case in your house you don't use much of a freezer, there aren't many snacks and all that you want to store, so what you can do is you can convert your freezer into a fridge. So if I open this and just show it to you, the compartments, you can see it has a convertible freezer. That's the plus point. So when it becomes a convertible freezer, you can store your regular stuff, your fruits, your veggies, whatever you want to keep in this area also. You can keep your water bottles and all here if you're not using this as a freezer. Now here, the below side, you can see you have those different compartments for your normal food, what's left over if you want to keep that, you want to keep your milk, your curd, your veggies, and here also you have enough space to store the eggs, to store bottles and everything. So it is good capacity, 275 liters is a good capacity, plus you also get a 10-year warranty on the compressor. Now this also has this connect inverter, that means it can run on inverter. So a lot of times where we live, there are power cuts. So you must have a refrigerator which you can run on the inverter. So here you get the plus point, plus it is stabilizer free operation. That means you don't have to buy an extra stabilizer for this. It is stabilizer free. So here you can see there are different temperatures written. You can adjust the freezer temperature from minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 23 degrees Celsius, and for the fridge you have this range of setting the temperature between 1 degree to 7 degrees. So you can adjust the temperature according to your need, according to your requirement. Size wise, it's perfect. Looks wise, it's really nice. A dark grey which matches with all the kitchen decors. So you don't have to think about the size, the color, it matches or not. If you look at the space, doesn't occupy too much of space. Space wise also it is efficient, and looks wise also it looks really smart. And I like the fact that this freezer, when not in use, can be converted into a fridge. This option you don't get in other refrigerators. It is from a very popular brand Samsung, which says 21 years of reliability tested by VDE. So this fridge you can also run on your inverter. Plus, it's a 3-star rated refrigerator, so it is energy efficient also, and you also get a 10-year warranty on the compressor. This was it about Samsung RT30A3743BX. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.